the views, guys. Look at guys, how beautiful is the snow. I love you, everyone. How are you, everyone? I need to fix my camera. Guys. It's kind of tipping over. There you go. You can see it's too bright. It's look hot, but it's not hot. It's just the sunset. Not sunset, it's the sunshine, I should say. Kumusta mga amigo diha sa Pinas? And driving here is not bad. It's just cold. It's 9 degrees right now, according to my phone. So I am it would be nice if you can stay like this. There you go. Stay like this, and alright, there is no cars coming. Enjoy the snow. See the snow, guys. I know we don't have this in Philippines. I'm from Philippines, of course, from Cebu province of Moalboal. I also used to live in Mandawi City also, guys. I work in Santiago. Alright, let's go to Coles first. And the road is not bad. It's not slippery. Might be some spot are icy, but today it's not bad. It's just cold. Right now it's down to 5 degrees. It was 9. What's up, everyone? Merry Christmas to you all. Oops, I think I'm over speeding. Only 45 here, sorry. Ticket is so expensive right there. 45 miles per hour only, guys, as you know. Ta-da-da, 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 ta-da-da. Ta-da-da, 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 ta-da-da. Some returns. I had to change the color of the shirt that I bought for my husband, so I just come to say I love you. Are you enjoying the view, guys? To those who's not in the snowy places, I know we have here mostly. Not much in California though. This is Minnesota. They call this Minnesota because it's a lot of snow. It's Minnesota, Minnesota, right? Minnesota, guys, as you know. So I was taking so long. I was supposed to leave earlier. I had to get home earlier too because we're going to church today. Well, when I get home, I have food ready already, so I don't have to cook. But my husband is gonna taking care of himself. So, guys, this is the back road going towards to Coles. So the snow is white, some mud mix. Dirt, whatever. It's still kind of white and it looks nice in the sunshine. When it sun shines, the snow, it turns look beautiful, guys, but it's not fun to drive when it's snowing, like really snowing on the snowing, right? So right there it's fine. As you can see, the road is clear because it's been plowed and a lot of people already been driving. You see the Christmas tree, it's Christmas tree, it's pine tree. The pine tree is not going to turn brown, it's always stays green. That's why they call that forever green. They call that forever green, guys, because because it's green forever, never turn brown or die, just like other trees like now right there. So right there guys, very beautiful. So I like to vlog during this time guys. You might enjoy here, only from Philippines, okay, because we don't have this in Philippines guys, you know. There you go, almost there. I just need to return things. I need to I have $20 reward. Maybe I can use something here. I don't need any clothes. So here it's red, but if you don't see any cars, you can go through just like the pickup, but there is cars coming here. Alright, so okay, I can get through here. And again, we're gonna have to go to intersection again. It's green lights right now. You have to watch with the arrow, and then right now it's turned yellow. I have to stop. Hopefully it will turn green and I can turn. I am thirsty already. Right, go ahead guys. This is my second video of the snowing. I have just posted when I went shopping to Walmart. Now it's turned green as long no one's coming. There is, but it's gonna have chance to get through. Up. There you go. Through. It's okay, go ahead. Oh, it may be okay. Alright, it's my turn. This is the grocery store here. I go here sometimes. Maybe I go check later for pop. I need pop for party because this is so close to my house. It's like 5 minutes away, but then of course there is some stop signs, stop lights that we have to follow the rules or regulations, and we have to follow the rules of regulation guys, otherwise there is a ticket. Ticket is so expensive and you don't want to have bad record here. So someone's come here very early then, because you know, when the guys go shopping they're so quick. It's not like women's. If you know, the women's is taking so long, right? Everyone listening to me. Now I'm here at Kohl's guys. This is the Kohl's that I'm going to return. Okay, it's too bright, I can see you. Bye bye.